How to back up Windows 11 files to USB flash drive. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is firstly go over to your file explorer. Now, as you can see, I have my two internal drives, which is my local disk C and my local disk D. But then I have my external hard drive connected, which is this one right here. So it's really easy to go ahead and back up anything. There's technically a few different methods, but if you want to back up, I definitely recommend using an external hard drive. So let's say I have a few things in my local disk C. My desktop is linked to my local disk C, and I have these two images that we're going to be using as an example. So what I could go ahead and do is right click on these, go over to WinRAR, and then I can add it to an archive. So I can make them a zip file basically, or what I could just go ahead and do is just go over, let's say, to my external hard drive. It's this one right here. So I'm just going to move these up a bit, and then we'll be able to see exactly what's up. So this is my external hard drive. All I would have to go ahead and do is press new on the top left, make a new folder, and let's just call it something like backup. Now, all I got to do is go ahead and move this into here. So obviously that's for individual files. But let's say I want to basically get all of the files and back up all my files on my PC or laptop onto, the external hard drive or anything like that. It's very simple to go ahead and do that as well. So we're just going to delete these for now. And then we want to go back to this PC. Now, what you want to do is if you're going to do it to an external hard drive, firstly, you want to make sure you have enough space. I have 1.45 terabytes free. I've used about 1 terabyte on this D drive, which means everything in this D drive can go inside here. So literally all I would have to do is go inside of this D drive, go ahead and highlight everything. And then all I would have to do is go ahead and copy it right here. If you go to show more options as well, you're not going to see any option to move, but all I would have to do is just go ahead and copy right here and then go ahead into here. And then I can name it something like archive or something, and go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and right click and paste. Then everything that was in my D drive is going to be posted into here. And all you have to do for some of them, you might have to give it like administrative access. As you can see, items remaining over 200,000. Now, depending on your hard drive speed, it might take some while, but once you do it, at least everything in that drive is going to be backed up. And then you can go ahead and factory reset your PC. If you find it's being a bit buggy, then just connect to your hard drive again. And then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. There is nothing else to it. And you can do this obviously for your C drive as well. Of course, there are external hard drives and SSDs that can, take on a lot more than just 2 terabytes, and then you'll be good to go.